April is Financial Literacy Month, and today we're spotlighting a program to help both students and Michigan schools satisfy a new state requirement for personal finance courses for all high school learners. This is something that I could probably have used when I was in high school. Joining me now is President and CEO of Junior Achievement of Southeastern Michigan, Jason Lee. We just had a Jason Lee on our show.
Absolutely, absolutely. He has better hair than I do.
You guys both are good. All right, well, thank you again for being here. This is a topic I think you can't talk about enough, and the earlier, the better. So this is a new state requirement. All high schoolers have to go through this course. Tell me about that.
So yes, so a couple years ago, the state of Michigan passed what they call personal finance requirement for high school graduation. So as Junior Achievement, we are working with our education system to meet that requirement. 3 of our curriculums actually correlate to what the state is looking for this new graduation requirement for schools.
What does the course look like? What kind of things are you covering?
So we have our program called JA Finance Park. It's part of our buildings. We call it a capstone program.
Okay.
We teach some basic concepts when it comes to financial literacy, understanding what credit is, taxes, insurance, the reasons for having these things. And that really kind of helps with a young person just having those foundational skills so they can be successful in the future.
Absolutely. And again, this is something I think everybody, even if you're an adult, you should probably take a refresher course on if you weren't able to have it in high school. Now, as a mom to 2 boys, they're super young right now, but what age do you think parents should start having those conversations with their kids about financial literacy?
So great question. So we actually start programming from 5 years old, kindergarten, all the way till 24 years old to young adults. In that early elementary age, we start talking about wants versus needs. You know, do you really need that extra piece of candy, or is it something that you want? And then just working from there in terms of talking about basic financial concepts, how to learn how to create a budget, and then into some of those more complex financial conversations.
Oh my goodness, I love that. So helpful. Now, for people who want to take the course or figure out, for themselves or to talk to their kids, how can they do that? You have some resources?
Yes, as we do. So on our website, we actually have some resources for parents to work with young people and also high school students around just basic financial literacy concepts. But also, we as an organization work with K-12 school systems, whether you're charter, public, private, in addition to community-based organizations to provide opportunities for young people to come into our facility and engage us in our work.
Perfect. Now we know that, the requirement for schools, that's something that's new, but Junior Achievement has been around for a long time.
Yes. Actually, we're in the process of celebrating our 75th anniversary, 75 years of Junior Achievement here in Southeast Michigan, but we're 105 years old nationwide. Actually, this is the 4th year that Junior Achievement has been nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize for our work with young people.
So Jason, again, I appreciate you being here. Thank you for the work you do, making sure the next generation is well-rounded when it comes to financial literacy. And again, to all the parents out there, or you yourself, if you want to become more well-rounded in this area, you can go to their website. We have it listed on our screens right now, and it'll also be available on our website at WXYZ.com. Jason, again, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, and happy Financial Literacy Month.